Hello guys, today we're gonna show how to live in a real apartment in Denmark. Now we are in the center of Esbjerg.
And we will go upstairs. It's a bit of old, but that's how it is.
It's quite old, yes.
And the guy
Young people living here. Hello Michael.
Hey, welcome to my apartment.
Thank you. You're gonna show it off.
Yes,
Yes,
this is my living room.
Looks nice.
Yeah, ironically, I could die here.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so have a look around.
Thank you. So, how is it to live alone without your parents?
It's quite alone, but I have my own rules, so
Quite
I'm the
nice.
boss.
So as you can see, we just entered Michael's living room, and you can see it's a normal living room because you have a sofa table, and of course a television. Now we'll move into
The bedroom.
the bedroom. In
So,
the bedroom.
This is where I sleep, and this is where I take my bath.
A bath in the
This is bathroom and bedroom.
So tell me,
bedroom in the sleeping room. Yeah.
what is that?
You really want to know? That's because I'm a cop. So I have
You're
civilians
looking for
to-
girls.
Yes, actually, yes, I can't resist. So this is my closet.
Look at it. Look at this closet. I will call it the room and closet.
Beautiful closet.
It's a beautiful closet. Now let's
So,
take a look at the kitchen.
This is where the magic happens when I make food.
Yeah,
It's a quite
right.
small kitchen.
It's quite a small kitchen. Let's have a look.
I think it's nice.
It's very nice. And this, it's the toilet.
The toilet.
The dark toilet.
The,
Get in!
the smallest toilet in the whole Denmark. Yeah.
Yes. So that's how a student lives.
Let's take a look at his fridge.
It's quite filled.
As you can see, we are in
Beer,
Denmark
beer, lots of beer.
with a lot of
Alcohol.
beer.
Alcohol. So,
Everywhere.
yeah,
Alcohol
party, always party.
Always party, and he got some stuff. That's
Yes.
how to be a student in Denmark.